Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Boeing and US Army use NGATS next generation automatic test system Pathfinder to speed AH64E Apache maintenance and reduce aviation sustainment costs. Boeing and the US Army have completed a 12-month operational maintenance exercise intended to improve AH64E Apache readiness and reduce sustainment costs. The effort used the first aviation test program set on the existing next-generation automatic test system Pathfinder. Army sustainment personnel piloted new fault diagnostic and test procedures for the Apache Aircraft Interface Unit at Fort Rucker in Alabama. Boeing supported the work, which officials said produced more than $1 million in cost avoidance on a single part. The exercise focused on helping maintainers diagnose faults faster where aircraft maintenance is performed. It also extended Boeing's NGATS next-generation automatic test system work from ground vehicles into aviation systems. NGATS next-generation automatic test system has historically supported ground vehicles such as the Stryker, Abrams and Bradley platforms. Boeing Global Services previously upgraded the system last year to include the first aviation test program set. Leveraging existing technology like NGATS next-generation automatic test system to its maximum effect is going to show real returns for Army aviation, said Colonel Tim Holoff, commander of the Army Aviation and Missile Command Combined Logistics Command. His comments underlined the Army's focus on using existing test technology to improve aviation maintenance outcomes. The U.S. Army Aviation Center of Excellence at Fort Rucker operates equipment equivalent to 5 combat aviation brigades. It also conducts 40% of the Army's aviation flight hours, making it a significant test bed for maintenance improvements. Boeing said the work gives Army maintainers a new way to test aviation systems. The approach is intended to support readiness by improving fault isolation and reducing unnecessary costs. The company plans to continue expanding NGATS next-generation automatic test system testing to more aviation platforms. Future applications are also expected to include unmanned aircraft and watercraft. Further expansion using newly developed aviation test program sets utilizing NGATS next-generation automatic test system will continue to improve maintenance and sustainment outcomes and significantly reduce cost for the Army, said Tamilala, NGATS next-generation automatic test system program manager. The statement points to a broader effort to apply the system beyond the Apache Aircraft Interface Unit. The maintenance exercise reflects an effort to improve sustainment performance through faster diagnostics and better use of existing Army test infrastructure. Boeing said the work supports readiness and cost reduction as the Army looks to improve maintenance across multiple platforms. Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.